Get this exclusive UI fortune wheel now. This wheel has 6 entries. Each entry can trigger devices and grant items. It can be customized with multiple backgrounds, and it also includes a 3D model that you can place in your map. For more information, visit my Discord or Patreon. In your main project folder, right-click the folder name and select Show in Explorer. Copy the Assets folder from the download into your project folder. Next, go to Verse Explorer. Right-click on Content and create a new verse file. Name it whatever you want. Open the file. Inside Visual Studio Code, click File, then Open File. Open the verse file that comes with the pack. Copy all of the code into your new verse file. Build the verse file. Go back into UEFN and drag the verse device into your map. We will now add a conditional button. Drag it into your map. This button will trigger the spinning wheel using whatever item or asset you select inside the device. Connect the conditional button to the verse device. Now let's add an audio device. This is what will play when the fortune wheel spins. Go to the spin wheel folder, then open the audio folder. Drag the audio file into the audio device. Connect the audio device to the verse device. For the audio to line up correctly with my selected sound, I will set the spin time in verse to 7.8 seconds. Next, we will add the item granters for each prize. Drag an item granter into your map. Always rename your devices so they are easy to find. Copy the item granter until you have 6 of them. You will change the items inside the granters to match what you have on your fortune wheel. Inside the image wheel, I will show you where every item is located. This pack also includes a PSD file, so you can edit the image with your own items. There are also different backgrounds you can choose from. I will now set up my wheel using my image. I will skip ahead after setting up the item granters. Now connect the item granters to the verse device from 1 to 6. You can also connect trigger devices so that something happens when a prize is selected. These triggers can be used with accolades, HUD message devices, or anything else you want. I will set up my trigger devices, and I will use HUD message devices to show a message when a prize is won. Connect the HUD message devices to the correct triggers. Then, connect the triggers to the verse device. This pack also includes a 3D model to visually show the fortune wheel. Select all parts of the model and drag them into your map. Resize and move the model into position. Add a plane. Drag your wheel image onto the plane and resize and position it correctly. You can customize the colors using your own materials or the materials included in the pack. A PSD file is included so you can add your own weapons and change the background. After editing, save the image and drag it into your project. Then drag the new texture onto the plane. To update the UI image inside UEFN, look for the material being used. Open the material, change the image inside the material, and save it. If any help needed, I can set this up manually inside your map or assist you until it's set up completely. Thank you for your support, and enjoy the holidays.